Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the new toggle that they have for this jacket over here, this code item. It's been reworked as well. Sorry about the top, but you know what? I'll change the top to like a tank top maybe. Oh, it still protrudes through, but I do need this because of what you're about to see. So there's 3 toggles: default and zipped, super cool, and a cropped version. And you can also have one without the logo as well. I really like the unzipped one. It's super cute, and you can obviously change the colors here according to your liking. Okay, well, I guess I can't make it glittery, but that is the new jacket on, well, new toggle for the jacket on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!